With its column-free space and ultra-high load-bearing capacity, excellent seismic and wind-resistant performance, the steel structure large spin roof breaks the limitations of traditional roofing and achieves a 100-meter level of headroom in one go. It not only expands the indoor use areas, but also ensures structural safety and stability while reducing self-weight. The lightweight and high-strength characteristics shorten the construction period significantly and make it easy to install, saving time and cost. The modular prefabrication process ensures uniform quality and reduces on-site risks, economic costs and low maintenance costs. Diversified roof shapes can be flexibly customized to meet the needs of modern architectural aesthetics. With excellent weather resistance and sustainable environmental protection, it is the best choice for large space buildings such as industrial plants, gymnasiums, and commercial complexes. LF has been deeply practicing in the field of large spin steel structure for 30 years and has won favorable comments from domestic and foreign customers. Do you have a similar project you need help with? Welcome to contact us.